What's going on, everyone? It's Jeremy. If you know what this is, then you're going to know what the next thing is. So I assume you're going to know what this logo is. You pull out, yeah, we got the electrical outlet right there. That's just great for the shot. But anyway, I built the Lego brick-built Sword of Omens. How tall is it? A little over 3 feet tall. Let's take a closer look at it, because you may have some interest in it, if you're still here. Okay, so we're going to set it on the table. We're going to look at it. Now I know, yeah, that is not Lego, but I ended up buying a couple stickers because, flip this over, this is what the backside looks like. So just for size comparison, yeah, I put a sticker over that because you're not going to bring... You saw how big the other logo was that's brick built to get it perfectly shaped. I'm not going to do it in a 6x6 round square or rounded circle with limited pieces. So let's look at our hilt. In case you want to try to build something like this, there's the bottom of it. We've got our top of our hilt. I'll try to come this way to make it easier for you guys to see. I just added some random decoration just to get rid of the studs to where they weren't showing. And then when Lion-O would do his sight beyond sight, yeah, I look through that right there. Come up all the way to the top. Okay, now, first question. Can you hold this like this and it not fall apart? The answer is yes. Let's try it. Okay, had to switch it to the other side so I could hold the camera. Alright, so we're going to hold it right there. We can pick it up. How about that? And the weaker side, which would be just flat. Yep, it holds up. Alright, now I'll give you a better background so it's not just all my pieces. We'll hang it over to trust in it. Yeah, I'll hang it over the Lego City because if it breaks, it's going to be a big, massive cleanup, and that's how confident I am in this build. I know, short video, but if you're a Thundercat enthusiast, if you grew up in the 80s, or maybe you just got into it in the early 2000s on one of the reboots, love having a Sword of Omens. I don't know if I'll build a claw shield or not. I thought about it, but I do have some other little things that are Thundercat related in case this is your first video that you've seen off my channel. I showed you a little sneak peek of this right at the very beginning of the video. How big is it? Well, there's my hand. And yeah, that's how big that is. I need to build a red brick background to make this look so much better and just pop. Maybe sometime in the future. And then any Thundercat enthusiast, yeah, you need the brickheads, custom brickheads. I got all these off reBrickable, other than the Mamut, which I just made myself, put with Mumra. But yeah, they're all on reBrickable.com if you want to search for them. And there's actually multiple designs, so there may be 1 or 2 of each one. You can pick which one you want best. And last, my own custom creation. I always wanted to have a cat's lair, so we have micro scale thunder tanks, and then we have a cat's lair. Yes, the claws raise, and the drawbridge does retract. Made it just for the perfect size, so I can have the thunder tank going across it. And we do have some water down in there. The head doesn't turn. That's about the only thing that this does to be perfectly aligned. But anyway, yep. Bring you over the top. And it's going to get all blurry, but anyway, yeah. I don't know if I'd ever build something like minifig scale for this or not, because I know it'd be $1,000 if I tried to do it. Not saying I couldn't do it or shouldn't do it, but I don't have the room for it. and I know I'd probably never take it apart. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, for this Thundercat video. Check out my other videos. If you have anything, any comments or anything, just leave a comment and we'll see if I can get back to you. Thanks for watching.